wanna put that dish in your mouth.
Hi guys, I'm Black. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Louis Beautiful. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this hair I got from Afsisterwig. So you guys, let me show you what's in the box. I have this edge brush which also has the comb on the other end. So I also have this clip here, and also it came with different laces in a pack. So I'm going to be telling you guys how this laces blend into the skin. So basically we're going to learn about the lace. So by the way, this is the hair and this is the lace it came with, so you guys can see how flawless it's looking. So here the wig has a strap, two straps actually, and it also has this comb in it just in case you decide to wear it as a glueless wig. By the way, it comes pre-customized, so it's already bleached and I love it. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and tame her edges and then use my spray. So I like to use a whole spray because it just helps it dry faster. So I'm going to get this edge brush that came with the hair and then use it on the edges. So now I'm going to go ahead and bald the head. So I also have a full video on how to do balding, which I'm going to leave up there, so you guys go watch that video and thank me later. The first one I'm going to be showing you is a regular lace, and I'm going to be placing it on my model's arm so you guys can see what it looks like. So the regular lace is thicker and it can be easily detected when you put it on the skin. So next up I have the transparent lace. You guys, you'll be able to tell the difference. So next up I have the Swiss lace. So you guys, the Swiss lace just blends finely into the skin. So the Swiss lace is really soft and thin, and the grid on the lace is actually smaller, so it stretches. You have to be a little bit more careful when you use the Swiss lace, especially when you're plucking the hair. Then the regular lace is very visible on the skin and it's thick but sturdy. So now this lace is really durable, and many companies have this as their standard lace because it doesn't tear. So durability is what we want, yeah? So you guys, the hair we're working with came with a Swiss lace. So while we're in store, I'm going to just talk about the Swiss lace. So this real Swiss lace can be more invisible and undetected when you place it on the skin, especially when melting with glue. It can create a perfect illusion of the hair growing directly out from your scalp because it looks so thin and beautiful. So no matter what skin color you have, this Skin Melt lace would definitely match. So you guys, I'm just going to use my comb to press down. So after that, I'm going to get my elastic band and then tie it. So this just helps it tie into the skin. So if you follow my channel too well, before I pluck a hair, I like to do middle parts so that I don't over pluck the hair on the center. So I'm going to get this wax stick and then use it to tame the hair. So we're going to follow it up with my hot comb. So I like to do all this before I start plucking because I just like to see beautiful results. So I'm going to keep plucking till I get the desired look I want. So it's up to you if you want to go really thin, and it's up to you if you want to keep it really full. So you guys, you can see what it looks like. It's already melted into the skin. We're not even done. There's no melt spray and it's already looking like this. I'm going to share with you guys the advantage of the Swiss lace. So the lace is invisible, just as you can see here, my model's head, and undetectable. So it just blends into any skin tone. You guys can see I didn't bother using a lace tint because it's already blended into the skin. So I'm going to go ahead and then pluck the hair. You guys can see the way I took out that hair. So the reason why I like to do this is so it can fit this person's face. So gone are the days where we just put frontals on someone's head and leave it straight. We don't do that anymore. So you just have to customize it to look like the person's actual hairline. So that's the beauty of wearing a frontal. Now we're not just wearing any frontal, we're actually wearing a frontal from Afsister hair. And you guys, I'm not capping, you can see what it looks like. There's still lace on her skin, and once I bring my hand close to her head and it's covering the lace, you guys, you won't be able to tell that she's wearing a frontal because it just looks so flawless. So I'm going to go ahead and pluck this other area of the hair and then do the needful. So once I'm done, I'm going to head on to cutting. So we're going to start from the ear area. So the way this wig was designed is really easy for you to cut out. You guys see, there was no point taking out hair from the ear area because it's already been designed to just stay on the ear. So for people who love to wear their hair glueless, this is the wig for you. So you guys can see we're not even done yet and there's no melt spray yet and it's already blended into the skin. That's what we are looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and get glue. So I'm going to be putting the glue on those areas that didn't really get glue. So I like to just blend it with my needle finely so it just blends really fast. It clears rather really fast. Once we're done with this step, I'm going to get my dryer and just blow it with warm air. And then after that, I'm going to just press it down and then tie. So I'm going to go ahead and get my edge brush and then tame the hair backwards. So once I'm done, I'm going to get my melt spray and spray on it. So you guys, we're going to test the quality of this hair, and in order to do that, we're going to be curling it. My T3 curler is one of the best and it's really hot. Okay, so let's do this. So I went on to put oil on the hair, so I'm going to get my heat spray. So this is me whenever I'm curling. You guys, you know I like to use a heat spray on the hair. I went on to use the mousse mist on the hair, so I went on to blow dry it. So I have a video on how to curl and I talked about why I like to blow dry the hair before I curl. So I'm going to leave that video here so you guys will check it out. So I'm going to curl it inwardly, just as seen in the video. So I'm going to slightly trim the front just to give it a little layer and then body. So once I'm done, I'm going to curl it just the same way I curled the other ones. So you guys, we're going to be styling the hair. This is the finished look. I just love how the lace blends into the skin. It's so flawless. You can see from this video. So I'm going to just comb out the curls. You guys, you can see the bang from the trim I did. So I went on to use my shine mist, and then I'm going to get a whole spray and then use it on it. So one thing I like about this wig, it's really lightweight. It has a durable lace, and it reduces friction to your natural hair. So you just place it just in case you don't want to glue it down, and then put a strap and you're good to go. So you guys, check out the strands. It's so lush and beautiful. I love it. I love the install, and I hope you guys do too. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and it was really insightful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and also give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you want to see here on my channel? Don't forget to leave in the comments below, and I promise you guys, I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.